Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am going to create this look is like your typical simple look with a bold lip. So let's get started. So for primer I'm going to use this Mars Take a Glow primer. This is a really good highlighting sort of a primer. So if you want like a glowy dewy base, you can try this out. This is not a pore filling primer, but this does provide a really dewy base. So as you can see up close. So for eyebrow I am going to use this Hilary Rhoda eyebrow palette and just going to mix the brown and gray shade and just going to fill my eyebrows. So yeah. You have to just create hair like strokes with the brush and just use spoolie to diffuse the product. That's it. For foundation I'm going to use this Insight foundation and the Mars BB cream. One is a dark and one is light, so I'm going to mix these two to create my shade. And I don't want heavy coverage, so that's why I'm using this. Both of these products are not that high coverage, but they give a dewy finish. So yeah, this is like a sort of gluey dewy base. Now you can see my skin up close. My some acne scars are peeking through, but that's fine. I don't want like coverage. So for concealer I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 04. This is a good skin tone match for me. So now I'm just taking a dot on my under eyes. I don't want that much of coverage. This is a good high coverage product. So now I'm going to just use this around my mouth and on the high points of my face and just going to blend it. So now for powder I'm going to use this Blue Heaven loose powder, and this is a good yellow undertone powder. So if you want a drugstore powder, I will highly recommend this one. This, since I have dry skin, I just lightly set my face, and this does not make my face more dehydrated or as such. So yeah, I'm just going to set my face with it. So for bronzer I'm going to use this Fit Me Compact in the deepest shade available in India. This is the shade Top Coffee, I guess. I will mention everything, but this is such a good shade to bronze up your face. And if you are around my skin tone, you can try this bronzer. It's a really good affordable bronzer. Now I'm going to take this crease brush and I will so slightly contour my nose. Not a heavy contour, but just a little bit of definition, because I think when we apply foundation our face loses all its structure. So I like to take my bronzer everywhere to give back the warmth. Now for blush I'm going to use this Deborah Milano blush. This is in the shade Spicy. It's a really pretty it's a really pretty peachy sort of a blush, and it is really pigmented. As you can see, this is just one swipe pigmentation. So as you can see, it's a really pretty peachy sort of a blush. I really love this shade. so pigmented, and I love this sunburned kind of a look. So now for my eyeshadow I'm going to use this my Project Pan eyeshadow palette. This is the chocolate rose gold palette by Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to create a simple golden bronzy sort of a look. So now I'm taking just a brown shade. This is a brown with a little bit of orange to it. So yeah, this is a really pretty brown with a little bit of orange with it. So it is going to give me that orangey bronzy look that I'm going for. So yeah. So for my lid shade I'm going to use this highlighter sort of a shade. This is too deep for a face highlighter on me, so I just use it as a eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take the same brown shade and apply it on my outer corner, and I'm going to take this deep brown shade as well, just a touch bit on my outer corner just to give a little bit of depth. This palette is really good, you guys. I know it is a little bit on the expensive side, not that expensive. This is for 1550, but the quality of shadows are really good. So now for highlighter I'm going to use the Wet n Wild, my Project Pan highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. Such a pretty intense highlight. So nowadays people are not applying that much of highlighter, but I love blingy highlighter because I have dry skin. I really like it. So I'm going to just use this. Also I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner with this same shade. So yeah, such a pretty goldeny sort of a shade. So now I'm going to use this Blue Heaven makeup fixer. This is a really good soft matte makeup fixer. This does not make your skin matte, but this does not make your skin dewy as well, so it's like in between. I really like it. Now for mascara I'm going to use my favorite at the moment. This is the Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara. I am just addicted to using it. I'm using it almost in all my tutorials. It is such a good lengthening and curling mascara. It gives a little bit of volume, but length and curling effect of this one is amazing. I really like it. So yeah, just coating my bottom lashes as well. And now for lipstick I'm going to use this Insight Cosmetics matte, yeah, from their matte collection, and this is in the shade Rich Ruby. It's such a pretty red. It's a blue base red, kind of like Ruby Woo. I don't own the Ruby Woo, but I think it is a really similar shade. So that's it. This is the final look. I hope you like it. It's such a good dewy, as you can see my skin is glowing. Such a pretty dewy sort of a look. I really love how the way it turned out. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.